All right, Tuesday morning, sun's coming up. Gonna be a hot one, just like yesterday. Chinese stocks down big yet again. Another 4% overnight. That's right, down 8% in 2 days. This Chinese regulation on some of these technology firms and education firms really putting a beating on the Chinese stock market. Yet to make its way into the US. Seeing US stocks flat right now, positive day yesterday. Why? We're in the midst of earnings season. We're seeing some really strong earnings right now. We've got more earnings on tap today. Big day for technology. Apple reports after the close. Microsoft reports after the close. Alphabet reports after the close. A lot of traders waiting to see what those reports look like. Also kicking off a 2-day Fed meeting. That meeting kicks off today. Fed Chairman Powell tomorrow will give us some insight as to what the Fed's thinking. Any change to policy, which is doubtful. More focus on what he says as far as are they going to raise rates any time in the near future. Dollar holding strong, oil holding in at $72 a barrel. There's going to be more opportunity to trade today, more catalyst. Let's get in there. Let's get some. Trade some of this opportunity. I'll see you tomorrow.